Yes, hello. Have your butt this way, please. Thank you. All right, let's do this. I'm not going to turn and look at you because my neck hurts. I slept funny on it, okay? Ready? Each time we have a quarrel, it almost breaks my heart. 'Cause I am so afraid that we will have to part. Each night I ask the stars up above, why must I be a teenager in love? I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'll be a lonely one if you should say we're through. That won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving you. Each night I ask the stars up above, why must I be a teenager in love, in love? Right? Anything else, Bird? You got anything to say? No, you're done. Have a great weekend, everyone. Black and White Day of Silliness. Go spread some love.